going to find the area of the entire polygon. Listen up, guys.
Everybody.
Thank you. Right after you put your phone away. Okay. So the first one says find the area of the entire polygon. So just like what we did, I think yesterday or maybe the day before, maybe both days, we took a big polygon and we broke it into pieces, right? And we found the area of each type of polygon that we know and we added it together. Okay? So if you notice here, we have, let me see if I can get a better marker here. That didn't change, did it? There we go. We have a triangle here, and we have a what right here? What's outlined in blue? The red is a triangle. What is the blue polygon? Is it a rhombus or a square?
A rhombus.
It's a rhombus. We don't know if those are right angles, right? So this is a rhombus. This is a triangle. So let's first find the area of the rhombus. What is the formula for the area of a rhombus? We just had that in our notes yesterday, or on the video. What's the area formula? That's right. 1/2 D1, D2, where the D1 and D2 are just the diagonals. So you're multiplying the diagonals, you're taking half of that. So 1/2 times one of the diagonals. It doesn't matter which one is 1 or 2, but you do want the entire length of it. So we've got 6 and 6 here to give us 12. We've got 8 and 8 here to give us 16. And if somebody can multiply that out for me, half of, what is it? 1/2 times 12 times 16, what do you get?
What do you do? It's like 12 times 16 and like divide.
What is that, 96?
Yeah.
So you could type that in your calculator, 0.5 times 12 times 6. You could do, or not times 6, times 16. You could do 12 times 16 divided by 2, whatever you want to do there. But that's just the area of the rhombus. So let's now find the area of the triangle. What's the formula for the area of a triangle? Bless you. 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2, either way. So we've got 1/2 times the base, which is 5, times the height, which is what? Remember, the base and the height always make a right angle. So we're looking for this here. What's that height? What's the height? Why 10? That's right. In that rhombus, all sides are congruent. So if that side is 10 on the rhombus, the other side is 10 as well, which is the shared side in the triangle. So 5 times 10 is 50. Half of that is 25. So the area of the triangle is 25 meters squared. So to find the area of the entire polygon, we simply add 96 plus 25. We get 121. Is that right? Questions? Okay, next. What type of polygon is shown here? It says find the area of the what? Parallelogram. And if I didn't tell you that, you could find the slope of all of those sides and know that it's a parallelogram. Okay? So since it's a parallelogram, what's the area formula? What do we hear in the video? What's the area formula for a parallelogram? Base times height. Okay? And we know that the base and the height always make a right angle. And look at this. Since it's on a coordinate plane, we can just count how many units or how many boxes the base is. So how many boxes is the base? 3. So area equals 3 times the height. Now the base and the height, again, make a right angle, so we need to go straight up from the from the base to find the height. And how many boxes is that? 3. Notice I don't care about the slant. That is a different length. We would have to use the distance formula for that. But if I count the number of boxes that are straight up, that's going to give me the height. So we have an area of 9. Since there are no specific units here, I would just say units squared. Questions?